Hey everybody, here we have the inequality, a number divided by 3 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2. So we're going to solve this inequality and we're going to graph it also. So come over here and grab a pen or a marker, it's up to you, you pick the color, okay? And remember, we're going to solve this like a two-step equation. So I'm going to first add 1 to both sides. So when I do that, these ones cancel out, and we now have a number divided by 3 is less than or equal to 3. Okay? Now, remember, the inverse of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And when I do that, these 3's cancel out, and we get an answer of n is less than or equal to, well, 3 times 3 is 9. So that's going to be our solution. So n is less than or equal to 9. So let's graph it, okay? So because n is less than or equal to, this is going to be a solid circle. And it's less than or equal to. So it's going to be all values to the left of that filled in circle. So I'm going to put an arrow because it goes on forever. And there you go.